Hello, this is Rohan here, and I have found a secret spot. I was just flying around the glider at the beach, and I just ran into this wall, and I was floating. I was wondering what it was, but right here is an invisible wall, and I never knew that. But apparently, it's not that high at all, so you can fly up here. It's pretty hard, though. But it's pretty nice. Now it's a floating doge, floating music doge. They will never escape my music now. By the way, the song I have on is Let Shine Bright. But there, that's all I really have to show you. This secret, visible spot. And it's pretty hard though. You don't have to zoom in, but you need the hang glider. There we go. There we go. That's all for this video. I just wanted to show you this secret spot. So make sure to subscribe, like, bye. Bye.